Today is an exciting day. I'm going to put in the electrical right there in that bus, or it's gonna get real messed up. So we'll see how it goes. Update. I was trying to hook up the smart isolator by connecting a cable to it from the wheelchair ramp that was here, because it was a school bump. It was a school bus. It was a hot wire to my cable to connect to the smart isolator, and I had some little sparks happen, right? So there's 2 batteries on this thing, and to disconnect the batteries is a real pain in the ass. And Interstate Battery in Eugene broke my positive terminal. It's real janky now. But I talked to JD and Henry, and they said to be playing with this power, I really need to disconnect it. So I just disconnected the power. So hopefully I don't die now. And hopefully I don't break that terminal putting it back on. Update. Still working on the smart isolator. Let's get it.
Tell me what you've done. You can lie and try and hide it from everyone. Girl, you won't be happy here. I'll just look at you with eyes and burn your ears. You're the dirtiest of fools. No matter what you say, you're still broken. No. Burning everything here. I'll pour the gasoline, I'll manifest your fears, and there won't be a second chance. I'm just a man and you're the woman in this romance. All that I need, but it all don't matter at all, 'cause of what I've seen. We can call each other now. Everything you speak, it don't mean nothing to me. You're just one in a million girls. If you don't work out, I'll just move on, and you fed my thrills. Tell me who you are. I don't really wanna know. You couldn't tell how we got this far. I'm burning everything here. I'll pour the gasoline, I'll manifest your fears, and there won't be a second chance. I'm just a man and you're the woman in this romance. I don't really wanna care, but the way you stick around is leaving you here. Why can't you just run away? Leave me to myself and let me have my way. I'm getting desperate for you to leave. I'll cut myself and show you blood if that's what you need. Best thing that's ever happened to me. It's why I'm doing my best to wreck, so you're late. I'm burning everything here. I'll pour the gasoline, I'll manifest walking along this gravel road, thinking about all the things that you've been told.
Ladies and gentlemen, I got everything hooked up except for solar, and it works. I'm stoked. See that? All them lights. It's on, baby. I'll do a whole little walk around when I get solar on and it's 100% done. Peace. What's cracking? We are on day 3 of the electrical install. Everything's in. All the major stuff is in. I just got to put the solar panels up on the roof and then route them into the charge controller. So, kind of excited. If everything goes according to plan, this should be the last day and solar should be done.
Your past is just a memory. Right now is something you can't touch and you can't see. Don't get caught up in what you've done, or all the times you should have and could have, but you had to run. It's all just the way it is. Sometimes you'll lose or you'll win, but you can't pick. We are who we are, maybe not anything, but it's all just the way it was meant to be. We are who we are, maybe not anything, but it's all just the way it was meant to be. It was meant to be. You were meant to be. There's parts of you you haven't sold. They may be buried deep, but there's something you still hold. I believe in who you are. All you need to start your fire is find your spark. You have done it all before, but you walked away and it's something you still ignore. These words are subliminal, sinking in. You don't even have to hear as long as you begin.
What's up? So I'm installing the solar panels on the roof, right? And as you can tell, I got cardboard. Ooh, hold on. I got cardboard over the panels to keep the sun from putting energy in the cells, right? Because in the book it says if you put energy in the cells and it's not connected to a battery, your solar panels can blow up. We have a problem. The sun is lifting the tape up, so I'm going to have to go get some blankets to throw over these while I'm installing them. And I have to connect that cable to that cable, and obviously it ain't long enough, so I got to get a measurement, and Grape Solar in Eugene is going to make me a custom cable to fit that. So mad love and respect. Hopefully we can get this thing knocked out. Peace.
We are who we are, maybe not anything, but it's all just the way it was meant to be. We are who we are, maybe not anything.
Little tip. So I just drilled through my roof, right? And it's metal. So my first little bit, I was just chewing the bits down. I think it was wood, it wasn't doing nothing. So I went out and bought a hole saw kit wherever the hell it's at. $50, because to get the one bit was 30, get the whole kit for 50, so 20 more bucks, figure I can use it. The other thing is, tip, you don't want to leave raw metal exposed, so got a little paint, and I'm just kind of hitting that metal to kind of seal it up. Let the sun do its job for a couple minutes and seal it. We'll run the panels through.
But it's all just the way it was meant to be. It was meant to be. You were meant to
be. Ladies and gentlemen, the power is done and it is installed. I didn't get a lot of footage doing it because I was so concentrating on putting it in. So I'm just going to give you a run through of everything I did, and hopefully that works, right? So 200 watts of solar on the roof, 100 watt panel, 100 watt panel. and I flex tubed it and, you know, mounted all the way down, and it comes in this housing and drops down into the bus. So we'll continue from there. It's kind of a mess in here right now. I've been building, don't judge. So the solar panels come in from right there, drop in the roof. I'm gonna get a little thing for that. And then they kind of route down through here, and then back through that cabinet, and then into the charge controller, which is right there. Now, you got 4 outlets here, 2 USBs, 4 outlets here, 2 USBs. So now the stuff, right? So my outlets are wired there and go into this 2000 watt inverter, 100 amp hour lithium battery bank. And so our battery will charge 2 ways. It'll charge from the solar panels in the sun. It'll also charge off this smart isolator right here. And so that means when the engine's on, the alternator will charge my house batteries and my auxiliary battery. And I can just add another battery if I need another battery bank. And these are the fuses, bus bar. And this is my 12 volt accessory line. So I can add more, but right now all I got on it is a fridge. And that's running, you know, into some craziness. And then my charge controller is up here. And as you can tell, I've got solar. Ooh, come on, focus. Solar coming in here, showing my battery, showing everything's good, and that light's not on. And I got a Bluetooth dongle here, so I can connect to it with my phone and make adjustments and see what's going on. All my power is headed up into here, monitored, and blah, blah, blah. And then my 110 is routed on this switch, so I can just turn it off. And I can turn it on. Boom. Power is done. If I need more battery, I just add another battery. If I want more 12 volt accessories, I got a whole freaking fuse block down there. I can add more 12 volt accessories, but everything's here. I got 200 watts of solar, 100 amp hour lithium battery bank, outlets, USBs. Power is done. I'm stoked. So if any of y'all got questions about how to do it, hit your boy up. And for, you know, DM for rates if you need me to help you put a power system in your van or bus. You know what I mean? Yeah. Isaac Turner signing out. Peace.
We are who we are, maybe not anything, but it's all just the way